The ASUS TUF A18 is more than just a gaming laptop. It represents a fusion of raw power, durable design, and a clear vision of what modern gamers truly need. As gaming hardware evolves, ASUS continues to push the boundaries with its TUF series, aiming to deliver high performance at a price that remains relatively accessible compared to ultra-premium gaming rigs. The A18 stands as a centerpiece of this vision. It's an 18-inch machine designed for gamers who crave a desktop-level experience in a portable form factor. Built with military-grade toughness, cutting-edge components, and thoughtful engineering, the A18 feels like a tank and performs like a race car. From the moment you lift its lid, it's clear that ASUS didn't just build a gaming laptop, they built a battle-ready gaming machine. Starting with the design, the A18 immediately commands attention. The chassis combines reinforced plastic with metal panels, giving it a rugged yet premium look. The edges are sharply cut, with a distinct military aesthetic that reflects the TUF branding. The surface is resistant to fingerprints, keeping the laptop looking clean even after hours of use. The back vents are large and strategically placed, ensuring efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming marathons. The hinges are sturdy, allowing the lid to open smoothly with one hand, while maintaining a firm position during use. This is a laptop built not just to look tough, but to be tough, designed to survive drops, vibrations, and even temperature extremes, meeting military-grade standards for durability. When you open the lid, the display is the first thing that pulls you in. The massive 18-inch panel delivers a resolution of 2.5K, offering crisp visuals with exceptional clarity. The refresh rate reaches up to 240 Hz, giving gamers the smooth, tear-free experience that's essential for competitive titles. Supporting 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and NVIDIA G-Sync technology, the screen ensures color accuracy and stutter-free gameplay. Whether you're exploring dark, atmospheric environments or bright open worlds, the display renders scenes with incredible detail and vibrancy. The matte finish reduces glare, making it ideal for both dimly lit rooms and bright environments. Thin bezels enhance immersion, giving you the feeling of being pulled right into the game. The keyboard and touchpad are designed for serious gaming. ASUS continues its tradition of providing responsive, tactile keys with generous travel distance, ensuring that every keystroke feels deliberate and precise. The keyboard includes a full number pad, catering to both gamers and productivity users. It's backlit with customizable RGB lighting, letting users personalize their setup through Armory Crate. Highlighted WSD keys make it easy to find your movement controls in the heat of battle, and the sturdy deck ensures minimal flex even during intense use. The large touchpad is smooth and accurate with firm left and right clicks, though most gamers will likely plug in an external mouse for serious sessions. Beneath the hood, the A18 packs serious power. It's equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 7845HX processor, or equivalent depending on configuration, and graphics options going up to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU or beyond. This CPU-GPU combination allows the laptop to handle modern AAA games at high settings with excellent frame rates. Ray tracing support makes lighting and reflections incredibly lifelike, enhancing the visual experience. With up to 32 GB of fast DDR5 RAM and a blazing NVMe SSD, load times are minimal and multitasking is effortless. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing 4K video, the TUF A18 doesn't flinch under pressure. Cooling is one of the most crucial factors for gaming laptops, and ASUS clearly knows it. The A18 features an advanced cooling system with multiple heat pipes, high-performance fans, and intelligently placed exhaust vents. This design ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping the CPU and GPU temperatures in check even during long gaming sessions. The fans are optimized to strike a balance between cooling performance and noise. Through Armory Crate, users can switch between performance profiles: turbo for maximum power, balanced for everyday use, and silent when you want peace and quiet. Even under heavy load, thermal throttling is minimal, which means consistent performance over time. When it comes to audio, the A18 holds its own. Its dual front-facing speakers deliver clear sound with surprisingly good bass for a laptop. Explosions in shooters, engines roaring in racing games, or dialogue in RPGs all come through with clarity and impact. Support for high-resolution audio ensures you get the best experience when using quality headphones, and gamers who prefer wireless setups will appreciate its Bluetooth support for modern gaming headsets. Connectivity is another strong point of this machine. The A18 comes loaded with ports, multiple USB-A ports, USB-C, HDMI, an Ethernet jack, a headphone jack, and a charging port. This wide array of options ensures that you can connect peripherals, external displays, or storage drives without needing extra dongles. It also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard, providing fast, stable wireless connections for online gaming, streaming, and downloads. On the software side, Armory Crate plays a central role. This proprietary ASUS software allows users to customize performance settings, fan curves, lighting effects, and system monitoring all in one dashboard. It gives gamers fine-grained control over their machine, letting them adapt it to their specific gaming style and environment. For example, if you want maximum frame rates in a tournament, Turbo Mode pushes the system to its peak. For casual browsing, Silent Mode keeps things cool and quiet. This flexibility is something many gaming laptops lack. Battery life on gaming laptops is usually not their strongest feature, and the TUF A18 is no exception. Under normal usage like browsing or watching videos, it can last several hours on a single charge, thanks to power efficiency improvements in modern CPUs and GPUs. However, for gaming, plugging in the charger is the way to go to unleash its full performance. The power brick is large but manageable, and fast charging support helps you get back into action quickly. Where the TUF A18 really stands out is its durability and build quality. True to the TUF name, this laptop meets military-grade MIL STD 8110H standards. It's designed to handle the kind of abuse that would easily damage less robust laptops. From knocks in a backpack to the occasional accidental drop, it's built to endure. This makes it a great option not just for home gaming setups, but also for students, traveling professionals, or competitive gamers on the move. Gaming performance is the heart of the A18 experience. In demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Warzone, Elden Ring, or Fortnite, the A18 delivers excellent frame rates on high or ultra settings at its native resolution. The high refresh rate display complements this, making gameplay fluid and responsive. For competitive gamers, this means faster reaction times and smoother tracking of opponents. For single-player and cinematic experiences, it means breathtaking visuals and immersion. Beyond gaming, the A18 also excels in productivity and creative workloads. The combination of a powerful CPU, a high-end GPU, and fast storage makes it ideal for video editing, 3D rendering, software development, and streaming. Content creators can run demanding applications while gaming or editing without slowdowns. This makes it not just a gaming laptop, but a powerful workstation in a portable package. One of the more subtle strengths of the A18 is its versatility. While it clearly looks like a gaming machine with its bold lines and RGB accents, you can easily tone down the lighting and use it in professional settings. The black and gray color scheme blends well into office or studio environments. It's a device that can shift seamlessly between play and work, making it an excellent investment for those who want one machine that can do it all. In terms of ergonomics, ASUS has paid attention to comfort. The keyboard is well spaced, making typing comfortable for long sessions, whether gaming or working. The palm rest area is solid, and the cooling design ensures that it doesn't get uncomfortably hot even during extended use. The hinge angle is designed for both desk use and lap use, though given its size, it's best used on a stable surface. Upgradability is another factor that makes the TUF A18 appealing. Unlike some ultrabooks or compact gaming laptops, ASUS allows users to access the internals fairly easily. You can upgrade RAM and storage as needed, which extends the lifespan of the device and gives power users flexibility as their needs grow. This is a major advantage over closed systems that force users to buy entirely new devices for more performance. From a value perspective, the A18 is positioned as a performance powerhouse that doesn't cost as much as the absolute top-tier gaming laptops like Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 or similar flagships from other brands. It delivers top-notch specs and features at a price point that makes sense for serious gamers who want performance without overspending on flashy extras they might not need. This is one of the key strengths of the TUF line, focusing on what matters most: performance, durability, and reliability.